Okay, here's your question. This is my answer. What is the essence of being a gay? Well, ladies and gentlemen, before my answer the question, I'd like to thank to the board of judges, my friends, ladies and gentlemen. Well, ladies and gentlemen, being a homosexual in our society, or the third sex in our society, opo, ladies and gentlemen, bakla po ako. Bakla na may puso at isip. Puso na marunong lumahal at masaktan. Isip na marunong magsip kung alin ang tama at mali. Well, ladies and gentlemen, wala po kayong karapatan para maghusga ng isang tao na katulad ko. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 1, Ms. Sonem Yusuf.
If you give it a chance to change one of your body, what will you do and why?
Thank you for that very interesting question. I will just repeat the question. If you will be given the chance to change any of your body parts, what will be it? For me, ladies and gentlemen, I will not change nothing. Because every part of my body are gifts given by God. And I want to preserve them to make the best out of me. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate. Tulong-tulong na yan! Okay, candidate number 3. Good evening. Ang dami mong sash. Nagre-reklamo ka pa sa dalawa. Okay. So, tatanungin ka ni candidate number 2. Ready ka na?
Here's your question, candidate number 3. If you'll be given the chance to talk to our beloved President, what possible topics will you discuss and why?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If I'm given the chance to talk to our President, how will I tell him? I will tell him to make a law of acceptance and equality of our gay in our country. That's all, and thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Once again,
thank you, candidate number 3. Candidate number 3, dito ka muna. Miss Rita. Ayan.
this is your question. How will set you free from infinite sadness?
I think...
Pero, I'm so sorry. Miss Rita Avila, can you repeat the question?
How will set you free from infinite sadness?
Tagalog daw, Tagalog. Hindi nga alam sa Tagalog. Sorry, alam niya.
Paano ka makakalaya sa isang kalungkutan?
Wonder.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Kung patuloy ko pong papansinin ang mga namumutya sa akin, patuloy ko pong mararamdaman ang kalungkutan sa aking buhay. Kung hindi ko na lang papansinin ang mga namumutya sa akin upang makakamtan ko ang kasiyahan sa mundo. Salamat.
Thank you, candidate number 4.
Among the candidates. What you have best asset among the candidates?
Okay, wait. Ulitin ko lang yung tanong niya. Ano daw yung assets mo among our candidates? What is your best assets among our candidates?
Para po sa akin, pare-pareho lang po kami. Binayaan ko ng kagandahan, talent, at brain. Yung sa akin lang po yung asset lang po siguro, yung characteristics. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 5. Miss Kylie pa sila. Miss Kylie, dito ka muna. Tatanungin mo si candidate number 5. Are you ready?
Define poverty.
Maraming salamat sa iyong kagandang katanungan, candidate number 5. Bago ko po sagutin ang aking tanong ng aking candidate, nais ko pong bumati ng magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Alam po natin, lahat po tayo nakakaranas ng kahirapan. Dahil po sapagkat ito ang mga halimbawa na nakakahirap sa ating bansa. Isa na po ang isang kakulangan sa pagkain, kakulangan sa edukasyon, sa pera, at lalong-lalo na po sa korupsyon. Dahil sapagkat po itong apat na to pag nawala po sa ating bansa, tayo po'y uunlad at naniniwala po ko sa kasabihang ang mga kabataan ay pag-asa ng ating bansa. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, candidate number 6. So, dinefine niya yung poverty, nandun pa rin yung kahirapan. So, isa din daw sa mga problema ng ating bansa ang kahirapan. So, our next candidate is candidate number 7, Miss Katrina Hadidi. Hello, Katrina.
Hi, good evening.
How do you feel now?
I'm okay.
Are you ready to answer the question to be given by candidate number 6?
Yes.
There you go.
As a gay, what is your purpose in this world?
Okay. I'm not a perfect person, but I want to be the best in this event. Back to the question. As a gay, what is my purpose in this world? Well, we all know that every created by God has a purpose in this world. As a gay, my purpose in this world is to be loved, to be cared, to be respected, not to reject. Dahil naniniwala po ako na hindi po pamantayan ng kasarian anuman meron ka. Ikaw yung may napapabilang sa tunay na ganap na lalaki o sa isang tunay na ganap na babae o napapabilang sa ikatlong kasarian. Ang mahalaga, ikay may takot pananalig sa ating pong may kapal. That's all, thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 7 for the regret. Kumusta ka na? Nakakapagod? Okay, ito na yung tanong ni candidate number 7 sir.
Okay, good evening, sis. Ang tanong ko sa'yo, madali lang. Pabor ka ba sa pagsali ng mga transgender sa prestigious pageant ng Miss Universe?
Okay, maraming salamat, Ses. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat, sa ating mga manonood at sa ating mga murado. Para po sa akin, kung pabor po ako, hindi po. Bakit? Dahil meron po talagang kompetisyon para sa mga babae at para sa mga kamukha namin bakla. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you, candidate number 8, Miss Maui Taylor.
Kung magiging isang prutas ka, ano ka at bakit?
Maraming salamat sa napakaganda mong katanungan. Ako ay magiging isang prutas, ano ako at bakit? Siguro rambutan. Bakit? Kasi tignan mo ang isang rambutan, ang kanyang paloob, ang kanyang palabas ay nakakatakot, masama. Pero pag ito ay iyong binuksan, makikita mo ang busila na kalooban. Tulad ko ang aking sarili sa isang rambutan. Pangit man po ako sa palabas ng anyo, pero ang aking kalooban ay isang busilang malambot na puso. Kaya naniniwala ako sa isang kasabihang, hindi mo makikita ang kagandahan ng isang tao sa palabas na anyo, kundi makikita mo ito sa kanyang busilak na puso. Maraming salamat.
Candidate number... Sina? Candidate number 4, Miss Rian Ramos.
Searching for the one.
The first runner-up 2010 Miss Gay Pangkalawangan, Miss Grace Mangaluz. Mr. Donald Yambao. Sorry, the Miss Universe, the Miss Gay Universe 2012. Goes to candidate number 7, Miss Katrina Halili. Ay, sorry. Sabi mo, 2012 goes to candidate number 6. To be awarded by Mr. Donald Yambao. San Miguel 2012. Okay, the Miss Gay Fiesta 2012, Miss Gay San Miguel. Okay. Miss Gay Fiesta at Miss Gay San Miguel 2012. To follow na lang yung sash. No, tomorrow. Tomorrow is another day. Okay, ready? Our Miss Gay San Miguel is candidate number... Sino ba yung idol nyo? Candidate number 3, Miss Rita Avila. Oh, ito na siya. Our next award is the Miss Gay Fire 2012 to be awarded by Sir Julius Cunanan. Sir, bago po kayo mag-award, muli po pinasasalamatan ko po kayo sa pagdala niyo sa gabi nito. Candidates, yung mga natawag na pumunta kayo dito sa harap. Candidate number 6, then followed by candidate number 3. The Miss Gay Fire 2012 goes to candidate number 5, Miss Kylie
The next award is the Miss Gay Water 2012 to be awarded by Mr. Jonal Jambao. Our Miss Gay Water 2012 goes to candidate number 8, Miss Maui Taylor. Ote yata, bis.
Are you ready? Here we go.
The next award is the Miss Gay Tourism to be awarded by Miss Gay Tourism to be awarded by Miss Alexa. And the Miss Gay Tourism goes to candidate number 4, Miss Rian Ramos. Next award is the Miss Earth 2012. Miss Gay Earth 2012. Our Miss Gay Earth 2012 to be awarded by Mrs. Cherry Alfaro. Miss Cherry Alfaro. The Miss Gay Earth goes to candidate number 9, Kylie Padilla. The next award is the Miss Gay International.
Valentino, YSL, Ferragamo, and Chanel. Halston, Gucci, Fiorucci, don't forget my Gucci. Fendi and Armani, God, I miss Gianni.
Miss Gay International, our presenter is once again Mr. Jonal Jambao. The Miss Gay International 2012 goes to candidate number 1, Miss Soren Yusuf.
Imitation of Christ. Beauty has a price.
Okay, thank you. Dalawa na lang. Sino kaya sa dalawang ito? So, ibig sabihin, isa sa kanila ay yung ating first runner-up or the Miss World, Miss Gay World 2012. And the first ever Miss Gay Universe 2012. Sino yung gusto nyo una mong i-announce? Yung Miss World o Miss Universe? Yung ligwak. Yun daw, Miss World. So yung Miss World natin, siya yung first runner-up. Yung Miss Universe, siya yung first ever winning Miss Gay Universe 2012 here at Barangay San Miguel, San Simon, Pampanga. And the Miss World goes to... Wait, presenter muna. Excited. Okay, Mr. Ian Clemente to present the award, and Miss Cherry Alfaro to the Miss Gay World, to the Miss Gay World 2012, and Mr. Ian Clemente for the Miss Gay Universe 2012, the first ever. And the Miss World goes to candidate number 2, Miss
Beauty is a trade and everyone is paid. Fashionista.
And our Miss Gay Universe 2012 is candidate number 7, Miss Alina Alili. Thank you very much, candidate.